Crash course on Netherlands. City guides and hidden gems. Welcome to a crash course on the Netherlands, where we'll uncover the must-visit cities and hidden gems that make this country truly special. Along with travel tips and recommendations, I'll share exciting stories and examples to ignite your curiosity. Afterward, we'll explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the diverse and enchanting cities of the Netherlands. Let's begin. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Delft's Blue Pottery. Discover the town of Delft, famous for its iconic blue pottery known as Delftware. The delicate hand-painted designs have been a Dutch tradition since the 17th century and are still produced by skilled artisans today. 2. Leiden's Canals. Dive into the enchanting city of Leiden, home to beautiful canals reminiscent of its more famous neighbor, Amsterdam. Take a leisurely boat tour and admire the stunning architecture and charming atmosphere of this hidden gem. 3. Haarlem's artistic legacy. Explore Haarlem, a city renowned for its rich artistic heritage. This lesser-known gem boasts stunning architecture, picturesque streets, and historic sites like the Frans Hals Museum, which houses works by the Dutch masters. Top 12 attractions of city guides and hidden gems. 1. Amsterdam. Start your journey in the vibrant capital city of Amsterdam. Visit famous attractions like the Anne Frank House and the Van Gogh Museum, and explore hidden neighborhoods like Jordaan and De Piep, known for their local charm and quaint streets. 2. Utrecht. Discover the hidden gem of Utrecht, a city with picturesque canals, medieval architecture, and a lively cafe culture. Climb the Dom Tower for panoramic views, explore the Museum Quarter, and stroll along the unique wharf cellars. 3. The Hague. Unveil the beauty of The Hague, the political heart of the Netherlands. Marvel at architectural gems like the Binnenhof and the Peace Palace, explore world-class museums, and relax on the sandy beaches of Scheveningen. 4. Rotterdam. Immerse yourself in the modern and cosmopolitan city of Rotterdam. Admire the innovative architecture, such as the iconic cube houses and the soaring Euromast Tower. Explore the vibrant food scene and enjoy a stroll along the historic Delfshaven neighborhood. 5. Maastricht. Experience the charm of Maastricht, a city with a rich history and a unique blend of Dutch and European cultures. Wander through the cobbled streets of the Old Town, visit the Basilica of St. Servatius, and enjoy the vibrant cafe culture. 6. Groningen. Discover the youthful and energetic city of Groningen. Explore the historic center, vibrant markets, and dynamic cultural scene. Don't miss the iconic Martenatoren, which offers breathtaking views of the city. 7. Delft. Step into the enchanting town of Delft, known for its picturesque canals, historic buildings, and the world-famous Delftware pottery. Visit the Royal Delft factory, wander through charming streets, and relax in delightful cafes. 8. Leiden. Uncover the hidden gem of Leiden, a city with a rich history and a tranquil atmosphere. Explore its well-preserved historic center, stroll along the beautiful canals, and visit the birthplace of Rembrandt at the Rembrandt House Museum. 9. Haarlem. Immerse yourself in the artistic legacy of Haarlem, a city filled with stunning architecture, charming courtyards, and art galleries. Explore the Grote Markt, visit the Tailors Museum, and admire the works of Frans Hals at the Frans Hals Museum. 10. Middelburg. Discover the hidden gem of Middelburg, the capital of the province of Zeeland. Experience its rich maritime history by exploring the historic center, visiting the imposing Abbey Tower, and enjoying the picturesque canals. 11. Nijmegen. Explore the oldest city in the Netherlands, Nijmegen. Wander through its vibrant streets, visit the historic Valkhof Park, and learn about the city's Roman past at the Museum Het Valkhof. 12. Texel. Escape to the tranquil island of Texel, known for its beautiful beaches, nature reserves, and charming villages. Explore the stunning dunes, visit the Ecomare Nature Center, and indulge in fresh seafood. Summarizing this writing, the Netherlands is a country of hidden gems and enchanting cities. From the iconic canals of Amsterdam to the picturesque towns like Delft and Leiden, each destination offers unique experiences and cultural treasures. By exploring the top attractions and venturing off the beaten path, you'll uncover the true essence of the Netherlands. Now, let's end this crash course on the Netherlands with a poem. In the Netherlands, cities enchant. Hidden gems with stories to plant. Amsterdam's canals, a picture so fine. Utrecht's charm, cafes that shine. The Hague's political might. Rotterdam's skyline, modern and bright. Maastricht's blend of cultures, a delight. Groningen's energy, a vibrant sight. Delft's blue pottery, a timeless art. Leiden's Canals, serenity's part. Haarlem's artistic legacy, proud to show. Middelburg's history, its secrets to bestow. Nijmegen's ancient past, a tale. Texel's island tranquility, a restful sail. The Netherlands cities, hidden and grand. A diverse tapestry across the land. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.